Smart Burglar Alarm. Aim: to design a smart burglar alarm system that automatically rings a buzzer whenever it detects any movement or intrusion using an IR sensor. Components used: IR sensor, buzzer, 220 ohms resistor, breadboard, 9V battery with clip, jumper wires. Component explanation: IR sensor, infrared sensor, detects objects using invisible infrared light. Pins: VCC, GND. Out: when an object comes closer, our IR sensor gives a low signal, meaning intruder detected. Used in automatic doors, burglar alarms, obstacle detectors. Buzzer: a buzzer creates sound when electricity flows through it. It has two pins, positive, plus, negative. In our project, the buzzer acts as the alarm siren. 220 ohms resistor controls the current. Has two terminals. Direction does not matter in a breadboard. Works like a safety guard to protect components. Breadboard helps connect components without soldering. Has power rails, red positive, blue negative, connection lanes, groups of 5 holes vertically connected. Putting two wires in the same lane means they are internally connected. 9V battery with clip powers the entire circuit. Red wire is equal to positive, black wire is equal to negative. Jumper wires used to connect different parts of the circuit. Circuit connections: place the buzzer on the connection lane of the breadboard. This buzzer will act as the alarm. Make sure both legs are in different lanes so they do not short. Connect the positive leg, plus, of the buzzer to the positive rail through a 220 ohms resistor. This resistor protects the buzzer by controlling current. The positive rail gives power when needed. Connect the negative leg of the buzzer to the out pin of the IR sensor. This means the buzzer will sound only when the IR sensor detects someone. When IR gives low signal, the buzzer becomes active. Connect the VCC pin of the IR sensor to the positive rail, plus. This powers the IR sensor. Connect the GND pin of the IR sensor to the negative rail. Completes the IR sensor's power circuit. Connect the 9V battery clip, red wire positive rail, black wire negative rail. Now the entire burglar alarm system is powered. Result: when the circuit is powered, the buzzer stays off. But as soon as someone moves in front of the IR sensor, the sensor detects the intrusion and sends a signal, causing the buzzer to ring loudly like a real burglar alarm. Precautions: do not reverse positive and negative connections. Keep the IR sensor facing the direction where you want to detect movement. Use the resistor to avoid damage. Double-check the wiring before applying the battery. Real-time applications, home security systems automatically detects strangers near doors and windows. Shops and malls used in theft prevention alarms. Banks and ATMs detects unexpected movement. Smart homes used for automation and smart safety systems. Conclusion: so kids, this was our smart burglar alarm system using IR sensor. You learned how sensors help detect intruders and how buzzers are used to warn us. Keep practicing and building. Every project makes you a better robotics engineer.